In this lesson, we'll continue the graphing of quadratic equations with vertex form, but in this case, you'll find that the a value is not equal to 1. I'm going to begin by identifying and plotting the vertex. In the function h of x equals 1/2 x squared, we'll notice that there are no values added or subtracted to x squared, nor added or subtracted to the right. This means our vertex is at 0, 0, because our h value is 0 and our k value is 0, as there are no values added or subtracted to the function. Next, I'm going to notice that my a value is 1/2. And this a value is going to be our amplitude and affect our graphing. We'll begin by plotting our vertex at 0, 0, putting in an axis of symmetry and labeling that as x equals 0. Next, using the amplitude of 1/2, I'm going to start at my vertex and go up 1 and over 2. It acts kind of like a slope, but this isn't a quadratic, so it only works for the first points that are to the left or right of the vertex. Now I create my parabola by connecting my values, and that is the graph of h of x equals 1/2 x squared. The second function is f of x equals 4 times the quantity x minus 3 squared minus 7. First, we'll begin by identifying the vertex. The x coordinate comes from our h value, which is positive 3. Remember to use the opposite symbol of what is inside the parenthesis. The k value is negative 7, because negative 7 is subtracted outside the quantity. That's our y-coordinate of the vertex. Let's plot that vertex over 3 to the right and down 7. The a value is 4. We know our graph will open up since this a value is positive. I'm going to convert the 4 to a fraction. 4 over 1. That tells me from my vertex I'm going to go up 4 units and 1 to the right. I'll also go up 4 units and 1 to the left, because parabolas have symmetry in them. Now we do our best to connect our points, and we have a very narrow parabola since our amplitude is 4. Our axis of symmetry in this case was x equaled 3.